order to download Epicpen, you're just going to go to epicpen.com. And once you are prompted to the page, you're going to scroll down instead of going to the download directly here, just because we want to make sure we get the basic version. So scroll down all the way until you see the different options, and go with the basic one that's free and click download now. And as soon as you click download now, it's going to prompt you to save the setup. So just click save. And once it is done downloading, you can open it up. And then it'll ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes on your device. Obviously, you will click yes, and it will start to download as soon as you accept the agreement. Pretty straightforward. It's like downloading anything else on your computer, really. And I am going to install in that folder anyways, just because I've already downloaded it before. And I want to create a desktop shortcut just because it's something that I frequently used when I was subbing for science. I used it especially for trying to emphasize notes when I was doing lecture slides, and I know that Ms. Horner uses it for doing math problems and having the teachers come up to the Promethean board. And click install and finish, and once it's finished, it will launch the pen itself. And this pen looks like this, and I just grab it and drag it to wherever is most convenient on the screen before you decide to do a live instruction or a recorded instruction. And that's it.